Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll compare Zendesk and Freshdesk in 2026 to help you choose the right help desk for your business. First, Zendesk is the industry leader. It offers powerful automation, advanced reporting, and a highly customizable interface. It's great for scaling businesses but can get expensive with add-ons. Setup can also be complex for beginners. Freshdesk is more user-friendly. It has a clean interface, generous free plan, and built-in collaboration tools. It's ideal for small to medium businesses. However, advanced features like automations and custom roles are locked behind higher tiers. In terms of pricing, Freshdesk is more affordable overall. Zendesk offers deeper integrations and enterprise-grade security, but costs significantly more. For support channels, both offer email, chat, phone, and social media. Zendesk has a stronger AI agent with advanced capabilities. Freshdesk's AI is solid but slightly less mature. So, choose Zendesk if you need enterprise scalability and deep customization. Choose Freshdesk if you want ease of use and better value for growing teams. And that's it. Now you know the pros and cons of Zendesk vs Freshdesk. Like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.